New developments following some massive flooding in Grand Island. The city saying they're now pursuing emergency assistance from the damage that this water caused. You can see some of it here. One of our reporters sending these videos to our Now Local News app, getting an up-close look at those floods late last month. Well, today, officials said they are looking for help through the Small Business Administration and the Nebraska Emergency Management Agency. That's so they can put a damage assessment together. The city says at least 25 homes or businesses must show at least 40% uninsured damage to qualify for the funds.